How to make sauerkraut with 2 ingredients. Hey everyone! Ever thought making your own sauerkraut was complicated? Think again. Today, I'm going to show you how to make delicious, gut-healthy sauerkraut with just 2 ingredients. That's right, just 2. All you need is a head of cabbage and some salt. First, shred your cabbage finely. You can use a knife, a mandoline, or even a food processor. Put all that shredded cabbage into a large bowl. Next, add the salt. A good rule of thumb is about 1 tablespoon of salt for every medium-sized cabbage. Now for the fun part. Get your hands in there and start massaging the cabbage. Squeeze it, toss it, and really work that salt in. After a few minutes, you'll see water starting to come out of the cabbage. Keep going until you have a good amount of brine at the bottom of the bowl. Pack the cabbage tightly into a clean jar, pressing it down so the brine covers the top. Seal the jar and let it ferment on your counter for a few days to a few weeks, depending on how tangy you like it. It's that simple. Fresh, homemade sauerkraut. Give it a try, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy recipes. Thanks for watching.